It is my favorite time of the week. I've got my coffee, and now we're going to open up a package I got in the mail. This is going to be some Sun Sports Unlimited out in Colorado. I came across this on eBay. It's something I've been looking at for a while. I reached out to these guys. I let them know. I said, hey, I got 12 followers. I think I can make this pop, and they hooked me up with a decent price. Truth be told, I got this on closeout, so let's be real, guys. But stay tuned. I'm going to get this opened up for you, and you'll see exactly what it is. All right, let's get this sucker open. Let's get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Sweet. So what I got here is a KLIM windbreaker. It's called the Stowaway jacket. It's Gore-Tex and it's super lightweight. This thing, I've been watching a lot of people have it in their go bags, and I wanted it. I mean, it's every time I'm out, it's always raining, and sometimes I just don't want to have my big bulky jacket on when I'm walking around town. So I can throw my jacket on my motorcycle inside the panniers, take out this super easy, look at this, look how easy this is, how compact, stowaway jacket. I know I'm going to be dry, I know it's going to block the wind, and if it's a little chilly out, I can easily have a sweater on underneath this without any issues. And yeah, I think it's going to be a great addition to my kit. So down to the nitty gritty. This is last year's model, so that's how I was able to get a good price on it. And I encourage you guys, if you're trying to save a couple bucks here and there to get really good gear and just get out there and start adventuring, but you don't have all the money, look for closeouts, look for second year run products, okay? This thing retails for 230 bucks, all right? I managed to get this at a 40% discount just by asking for it on eBay. And you know, it was one of the last ones I could find. So they agreed to it. They sent it out to me. I got this sucker in like 3 days. I mean, this came all the way from Colorado. I got here real quick. So I'm really happy. I can't wait to take it out on town and try it out in some heavy rains. I think it's going to be a great addition too for when I'm doing photography and filming out there in the elements. So this is cool. I hope you guys check it out. Give me a like, and I will put a link below to the dealership that I got it from. And then also, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments, let me know what you think, what you don't like, what you love, and those comments help me improve. All right, I appreciate it, guys. Ride safe, and I'll see you out there on the road.